Okay, so students, please take out your questions. Today would be the second class or second discussion class on this chapter. So in the last class, we have completed fingertips. Aji, baki remaining zero question ase. Master the NCERT Duta edition, old edition and new edition. Let's start with the new edition. Last class of maximum of the questions we have discussed. We are left with only a few.
Ma'am, fingertip to ne master
Fingertips last class of check koriso. Master the NCERT.
Oh yes, ma'am. Oh.
Master the NCERT. The first question is question number 25. Given on page number 111. So question number 25 was yes. Given below is a diagram of a typical leaf in which of the following the label parts are A, B, C, A correctly identified. It to koraise class, no? Lamina kuntu, axillary bud kuntu, stipule kuntu, leaf base kuntu. So which one is the correct option? আমি একটা ডায়াগ্রাম আঁকিছিল নহয় এনেকে right এডাল হল মেইন স্টেম ডাল এটো হল লিফ ফর স্টক ইয়াতে কি থাকিব যোনটো বাদ থাকিব that is auxiliary bud আর protection of the auxiliary bud a pair of stipules থাকে সদায় stipules সদায় কেনেকে থাকে in a pair এইটো দিয়া আছে
MA
right so the option is number A. Next come to question number 26. Leaf base expands into sheet covering the stem partially or wholly. Yeah.
আগৰ কোৱেশ্চনৰ এনসাৰটো বি দিয়া আছে
Question টোতে answer ভুল আছে এখানে কি হ'ব leaf base কি দিয়া আছে বি দিয়া আছে নেকি ইটো কি আছে A is lamina ঠিকে আছে B is stipule B stipule নহয় ন option টো answer টো wrong দিয়া আছে কাৰণ B কি দিছে আমি stipule ৰ কথা কি জানো these are two protective leaf like structures no তার protective word টো use কৰিছো কি সেইটো stipule ৰ most important কাম কি protection of the bud or that leaf bud no বা axillary bud next one stipules বুলি ক'লে সদায় তাহাতে তেৰ থাকে এটা stipule কেইটা নাথাকে ইয়াতে তেৰ থাকিব আৰু যোনটো তাহাতে B mark কৰিছে ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত সেইটো হ'ব auxiliary bud auxiliary মানে this is the auxiliary position no stem আৰু leaf ৰ যোনডাল stalk তাৰ side ৰ point টো আমি কি কম auxiliary so যদি option B দিয়া আছে it is wrong the answer is A. Question number 26. Leaf base expands into sheet covering the stem partially or wholly. This was a characteristic of. আমি sheathing leaf base পঢ়িছিলো নেকি পাহৰিলা নেকি morphology we have talked about বাকিখিনি একো মনত ৰাখিব নালাগে just consider the example of banana or you can take the example of erica nut তামোলৰ পাতটো দেখিছা নেকি তামোলৰ পাতটো দেখিছা চাগে না তামোল গছৰ পাতটো বিৰাট ডাঙৰ leaf এটা leafটো কি হয় something like this yes or no coconut hop তামোল কিন্তু লাষ্টত চাবাচোন অকমান এনেকে এইখিনি জেগা broad right এই broad part টোৱে কি কৰে এডাল যদি main trunk হয় ন leaf টো যদি এইটো হয় broad part টো এনেকে ধৰি ৰাখে that is what is called as a leaf base so it is a characteristic of monocots question number 26 answer is monocots question number 37 which of the following is an incorrect pair tendrils P tendrils থাকে Phylloclade is Australian acacia. নহয়, এইটো correct নহয়. This is the incorrect because phylloclade বুলি কোৱা লগে লগে we take the area of examples of K of Lucia.
Yes, ma'am.
আৰু Australian acacia কিহৰ example আছিলে সাইডত লিখি থৈ দিয়া পাহৰি যাবা phylode PHYLLODE phylode দুটা example আমি পঢ়িব লাগে এটা হ'ল Australian acacia এটা হ'ল euphorbia so সাইডত phylode বুলি লিখা one example Australian acacia second example is euphorbia. Question number 39. Leaf tendrils are found in the last class we have talked about leaf tendrils, right? Leaflet tendril, leaf tip tendril. I mean, you can discuss first. So, yate answer would be P. Leaflet tendril by Pete. Our leaf tip tendril last class of course, so it was glory lily. Was also a doubt. Verticillata inflorescence is found in. It is found in verticillata inflorescence ki bostu. We have discussed something called as special inflorescence. Apart from the two types of inflorescence, racemose and cymose, our uporiu ami eta special korisilo. Special ami ki korisilo? Hypanthodon, Cythium and verticillata. Hypanthodon or example, best example ami ki korisilo? We have talked about ficus, right? Cythium or sobotse unique point ki asile that it has a single female flower surrounded by many male flowers. And if you're talking about verticillata, what is the meaning of that? Or verticillata namtu kopra he said. Verticell. Verticell means what? A false hole, right? It looks like a hole means what? Morphology jodi diagram to mon ase. It will stem. So the leaf will be like this, right? Etu nodor pora duta leaf ulabo. Etu eta leaf. Etu eta leaf. Six teneke. Ako eta nodor pora leaf ulabo. Something like this. Right? এনেকে leaf বিলাক ulabo. Aru ei nodor eki thakibo kichon bilated flowers thakibo. Right? Similarly here. Our duror পৰা চালে এনেকুৱা লাগিব that these flowers all occur from the same point, right? Eta point যেনেকে surround হৈ আছে actually they do not remain or they do not originate from the same point. It forms a hole like structure but not exactly একে জেগাৰ পৰা নোলাই, right? ওচৰৰ পৰা চালেহে আমি ভালকে গম পাম, right? So they appear like this. So that's the reason why we are saying it as a false hole. Hole means a collection, right? So what is the inflorescence? Another point to be remembered is they belongs to which family? Which family? Lamiaceae. Right? Lamiaceae, one example, Ocimum. So answer would be Ocimum. Question number 56. Select the incorrect pair out of the following. Incorrect pair, Monadelphus hodai hibiscus or board question ahe. Diadelphus is incorrect because Diadelphus are supposed to commonly associated with Papilionaceae family but Fabaceae family. Baki correct. Question number 63. Exile placentation is found in syncarpous ovaries and in this placentation the ovules are arranged along the exile placentation. Placentation, I think we remember, arrangement of ovules in the placenta is called as placentation. Different types of arrangement we can see, and so we have different types of placentation. Yate ki kudise je exile placentation to ki hoy? Exile placentation or ovules bilak kot thake. Exile placentation or ovules always found in the center. And to just have a proper idea, question number 57 was one pura diagram to diya ase. This one 67 dekha paisa. Option B is exile. So when we are talking about the different types of placentation, ovary arranged in the center, characteristic of two placentation. One, free central placentation or exile placentation. In both the cases, the ovules will be arranged in the center. But what is the difference? The difference is, in case of free central, you will not find the septa, right? Ovary to chambers of divide nokore, but if you're talking about exact presentation, the ovary would be divided into chambers and we see the presence of septa. But in both the cases, the ovules are arranged in the center. Here, '68. The fruit is a characteristic of dash and the formation of fruit from ovary without fertilization is called. A fruit is a characteristic of angiosperms and the formation of fruit from ovary without fertilization. Answer C. Question number 74. An aggregate fruit is one which develops from aggregate মানে collection, no? Both fruits ekelege thakibo. That is what is called as aggregate. Multicarpellary Apocarpus dinoecium. That is the correct answer. Apocarpus ki asile? Syncarpus or Apocarpus. There were two terms. Syncarpus was free ne fused. It was fused. Apocarpus free. So the answer is 76 is B. Next, question number 89. Choose the correct option denoting the symbols for the presence of tepals and epitepalous structure. Yate to ekku tan hobo nalage kiho karone whenever we use the word tepal, what is a tepal? Individual member of the cadent is called as tepals. Jeneke individual member of calyx is called as sepal. Individual member of corolla is called as petal. ঠিক তেনেকে কিছুমান প্লাজত কি হয় calyx and corolla cannot be distinguished and they remain in a fused condition and that structure is called as what? Parient. So individual member of a parent is called as tepals and it is denoted by the letter P. So out of the given four options, jote P ase, that would be the correct answer because the question is asked about parent. Right? So answer would be B. Question number 99. Question number 99 is easy. কাৰণ তিনিটা তোমালোকৰ মাত্ৰ হেৰি পঢ়িব লাগে angiospermic families পঢ়িব লাগে. This is characteristic of Solanaceae. So last one. Floral formula পঢ়োতে বা floral diagram পঢ়োতে কেনেকে আমি identify কৰিম? What was the identifying point? চাবাচোন morphology notes খিনিত সাইডত লিখা আছে. এটা ডায়াগ্রাম দিয়ে দিলে ব্রেসিকেসি হয় নে সোলানেসি হয় নে ফেবেসি হয় looking at the diagram itself how will you identify there is no point by hearting similarly with the formulas also floral formula গুটেকেইটা মুখস্থ কৰিব নালাগে there is an identifying mark of each and every one right so in this case we have Solanaceae
Ma'am. Ma'am, question number 92, 91, 99, ma'am, option number B and D to ma'am same লাগিছে.
Answer D hobo baki chua kisuman options okon bhulke thake kisuman printing mistake thake right kali first thing that you have to identify that this is floral diagram belongs to the family Solanaceae so Solanaceae jonto floral formula hobo heti answer hobo correct
Yes, ma'am.
options sai pelai question to koribole chesta nokoriba know the question rely on the information that you have studied tar pisot okay assumption reason to nalage next is question number 133 oh etu question ami last class ot heri koriso the different zones of a root 133 answer is C 134 moniliform roots are found in Momordica indica what are the moniliform roots saba morphology kunkinit saba jana modification of roots of saba modification of adventitious tape root moniliform roots or diagram to kenuka asile something like this last class ot korisu niki baru so swollen constricted আকৌ swollen so etuk ami ki likho moniliform root Question number 136, not needed. 139. Read the following statements for floral formula of flowers. Choose the option with correct statements. The position of the mother axis with regard to the flower is represented by a dot. Correct. Outermost hole represents the calyx. Correct. Floral formula shows cohesion and adhesion between parts of holes. Correct. All the three. Next is question number 146. 146. Pinnately compound leaf, stem thorns, palmately compound leaf, aru prickles. Prickles or generally jeta question ahe no, it is an option of rose thake. So in normal cases, whenever the question is asked, you have the option of rose and prickles because prickles are present in rose. But apart from rose, bombex is another example. 146, so answer 2. But B hobo B. Can stem thorn. So questions are not necessary that it might be so that each and every option is not known, right? Take to the options ani ba hetu kotha nohoy. You dukaman to jano jeneke prickles kole rose ba bombax hobo thik teneke stem thorn kole anta hobo. So these were the questions from the new edition. Let's move to the old edition. Old edition of questions. Question number 25. Old edition master entity, page number 90, question number 25. These having completely divided lamina with distinct segments or leaflets is called as a compound leaf. Simple leaf of কোনো distinctions বা divisions নাই, কিন্তু compound leaf of the leaf is divided into segments and the segments are called as leaflets. So leaflet থাকিলে এটো compound leaf. Question number 32. Find the incorrect statement. Flowers modify shoot, whereas the shoot are correct. Flowers always solitary. When shoot but transformed to flower, correct. The arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is called inflorescence, correct. The apex reduces different floral appendages horizontally. Okay. False is number D. Alright, during the formation of a flower, the internodes elongate nokore. And flower to ki hoy condensed shoot. If you remember, it will be the thalamus hoy, right? Right. Eta nodor pora ei leaf-like structures bilak ulabo tak ami ki boli koisu petals. Right. Yate eta node thakibo ei node pora ki ulabo sepals. Right. Aru eta node thakibo side ot jotor pora tumi dora female reproductive part to ulale. Right. Ako thik teneke eta node thakibo jor pora tumar male reproductive part to ba endometrium gynosium. So adult shoot, right? Etu shoot system on a apex hot. যদি তাতে ফ্লাৱাৰ ডেভেলপ কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়াহলে এই ষ্টেমটোত থকা যিমানবোৰ নোডছ আছিলে সেই নোডছ বিলাক যদি ইলংগেট কৰি দিয়ে ফ্লাৱাৰটো কেনেকৈ ফৰ্ম কৰিব নোডছ বিলাক কি হ'ব কম্প্ৰেছ ৰাইট ষ্টেমত যোনখিনি নোডছ আছিলে সেইখিনি জেগাত য'ত নেকি ফ্লাৱাৰটো ফৰ্ম কৰিব তাৰ নোডছ বিলাক কম্প্ৰেছড হৈ পেলাই কি ফৰ্ম কৰিব আল্টিমেটলি দ্য ফ্লাৱাৰ দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ৰিজন ৱাই all the 4 parts, that is calyx, corolla, endometrium or gynosium remains in a compressed or a condensed state. Condensed state kiyo thake? Dure kiyo? Settle to dura to thakibo parile heten. Kiyo nai? Karon nodes bilak osort asile. So the answer is D. Question number 34. Racemose and cymose. What was the basic difference between racemose and cymose? If you have the teeth that goes indefinitely, tak ami ki boli ko racemose, you have a teeth to grow koribo noare, that is obstructed by a flower or it is obstructed by a tendril or obstructed by something. So ইয়াতে আৰু growth to possible নহয়. Growth কৰ পৰা হ'ব? Side ৰ পৰা হ'ব. So this is what is called as cymose. So racemose diagram to ইমান clear হোৱা নাই, কিন্তু cymose diagram to clear হৈ আছে. Terminal point to কি হৈছে? Flower এটা develop কৰিছে, তাৰমানে ইয়াৰ পৰা stem cell grow কৰিব নোৱাৰে. So in this case, this is cymose. So answer is B. How many plants in the list given below have composite fruits? Composite fruits of so what's the common example we discussed was pineapple and fig. Apart from that, aru ki ase? Walnut, poppy, radish, fig or pineapple, apple, tomato, mulberry. So 3 of them. Question number 35, option is D. Question number 36, the standard petal of a papilionaceous.
Ma'am, 35 fig, mulberry, and what is
pineapple. So mulberry is not a very frequently asked question. কিন্তু যেতিয়া আমি composite fruits পঢ়িম নহয়, composite fruits of composite fruit কি আছিলে? A fruit from the inflorescence that is called as the composite fruit. Fig example কি inflorescence? Hypanthodium. I think you remember words like sorosis, songus, etc.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So composite fruit বুলি ক'লে fig আৰু pineapple সবতছে বেছি commonly asked question. আৰু এটা হ'ল mulberry. Question number 36, the standard petal of papilionaceous. Last class to কৰিছো. মনত আছে ন? এনেকুৱা টাইপ যোনটো আছিলে pea flowerত সবতছে ডাঙৰ যোনটো petal. এনেকুৱা আছিলে নাই? So this is called as vexillum or standard. Question number 38. Keel is the characteristic feature of the flower of. Keel, kundu family asile? Keel, papilionaceous family. Right? Papilionaceous family example to পঢ়িব লাগিব. So answer is Indigofera. Indigofera আকৌ important কিহৰ কাৰণে? কাৰণ তাৰ পৰা dye ওলাই ন? Some of morphology notes of each and every family, right, that we have discussed are among specific examples di disu. Hey, examples dita saba tar bhitor eta Indigofera ase. Question number 59. The coconut water from tender coconut represents. It is from জানিব লাগে. Coconut water কি হয়? Nothing but endosperm. কি endosperm? Free nuclear endosperm.
Ma'am, it too clear হৈ গল আপ sexual reproduction পঢ়াৰ পাছত clear হৈ গৈছে.
It clear হৈছে ন? আগতে পঢ়া নাছিলে ন? এইটো বস্তু morphology পৰা আহিছে.
Yes.
Okay, doesn't matter. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Question number 63. The seed in grapes is not not grapes. The seed in grasses is not endospermic. Obviously endospermic. Mango is a parthenocarpic fruit. False. Banana is a parthenocarpic fruit. Mango is an example of a true fruit. A proteinaceous alluron layer present in maize grain is present in maize grain. Aru? Key question to this, correct or incorrect? Correct. Yeah, obviously a proteinaceous alluron layer is present in the maize grain. That is correct. A sterile pistil is called as staminode pistillode. So the answer would be C. Question number 64. Perisperm differs from endosperm. It is endosperm to ami buji paun. Endosperm endosperm formation. What is the ploidy, trichome? We understand. Perisperm, or do you remember something called as perispermic seed? Reproduction to koriso, morphology to koriso. Perispermic seed ki asile? The kisuman seeds or nucellus to persistent hoye thake. In normal cases, the nucellus gets absorbed during seed formation. Or after seed formation, I mean nucellus karon tar pora fruit to already prepare well hoy. Kintu kisumanor persistent nucellus thake, and that is what is called as perispermic. Nucellus or ploidy kiman? Twice in. Endosperm or ploidy kiman? Thrice in. So one is diploid, the other is triploid. Clear? So answer would be C, C4. Next is question number 76. Which of the following is a correct combination of the family and its respective members? Fabaceae. Fabaceae family এটা example কোৱাচোন তোমালোকে? Give me an example of Fabaceae.
MP.
P. Fabaceae is also called as K. Papillonaceae. So tomato আৰু chili P family নেকি? Do they belong to Papillonaceae? No, tomato belongs to Solanaceae. Right? So the first option is wrong. Second, Solanaceae, tobacco and brinjal. Correct. Liliaceae, Petunia and potato. Obviously not. None of the above. So answer would be B.
Okay, ma'am.
Next on this, question number 101. It is 101. Standard petals, wings, wing petal and keel. बहुत बार करिलो. Example of which estivation? Estivation কি আছিলে? The arrangement of sepals and petals, right? That is called as estivation. Flower bud it up, right? So if you cut a TS of the flower bud, you will see the arrangement of the sepals and petals, and this is what is called as estivation. We have talked about many types of estivation. Then we get twisted asile. Then we have what? Irrigate estivation, twisted estivation. Then we had open estivation, right? আৰু এটা কি আছিলে তোমাৰ vexillary estivation. Vexillary estivation on কি আছিলে? Remember the point আমি যে hint এটা দিছিলো. কেনেকে মনত ৰাখিম? Cone tree. Estivation to cone tree in Islam because you have the one that is called as standard. Standard overlaps the two wings and the two wings overlap the keel. So answer here was vexillary estivation. Question number 121. Name the body part modified for food storage. Gladiolus, stem. Sapsa portulaca is root or asparagus or root. Those are root asan nahi. It is option A. already koriso. Next is question number 129. 129 that ki problem ase? Aleuron layer, nutrition, parthenocarpic fruit without fertilization, ovule, seed, endosperm without fertilization. Problem to ki ase? A is 1. Oh, option kita wrong ase, no? So question number 129, the options that are given in the book is wrong. But I think you know the correct answer. Tahate match the column kori ase, kintu duitate correct answer kita likha ase. So if you're talking about aleuron layer, so obviously proteinaceous endosperm kam ki provide nutrition. Parthenocarpic fruit, we understand ovule are fertilized. As of ovule get fertilized and form what? The seed. Endosperm is a product of double fertilization. That's all. So these were the questions. So we have completed morphology, right? Thank you for today, and we'll meet on the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are there any questions, sister?
Hello, ma'am.
If you have any more questions,
Yes, ma'am.
please send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.